Pero guys, hindi na talaga kaya. Pabalik-balik talaga siya. Wala na kaming magawa. Ang daming dala. Tignan nyo yan. You're looking good. Cover your boobs.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys. It's almost 12 na. 11 something na. Biro, guys, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan. Meron lang tayong anuhin dito sa computer. So, yun. Of course, tulog na naman ang bibi ni mama. Tulog na naman. Hi, Diam. Hi, Hams. Hi, Diam. I give you treats already. You're good. I give you drive or treats. So, yun. Aalis po ako, guys. Punta akong grocery store para bibili ng chicken. But bago ako aalis, titignan ko muna sa basement baka meron kaming chicken, 'di ba? Kasi gusto kong magluto ng barbecue chicken para ipadala kay Tami kasi bukas uuwi siya ngayon dito, guys. And then bukas ano siya, balik na naman siya trabaho bukas. So, yun. Kaya, lutuan natin siya ng chicken. And then, meron namang salad. Yung salad na sa garden ko, magpa-harvest tayo mamaya kay Tami. Or ako na lang mag-harvest, diba? Kasi hindi daw siya marunong eh. So, yun si Tami, hindi siya marunong. So, tignan natin. Look. Tignan natin kung may nakapasok ba. Oops. Okay, let's see. Okay, walang naghukay. Oops, may pumasok ba dito? Parang may pumasok ah. Tignan natin sa ilalim. Ano yung andun? Lagyan ko pa ng isang wood dito. Hanap tayo ng wood. Meron tayo dito kahoy sa garage. Hala, bakit ang light on? Hala, nakalimutan kong patayin. Ay, nakalimutan. So, itong kahoy. Mamaya na lang. Mamaya na lang ilagay ba kung aalis tayo. Kasi para diretso na tayo dito sa garage. Hindi na tayo papasok ng bahay. Tignan natin kung mayroong chicken. Para meron tayong lulutuin mamayang hapon. Para ipadala kay Mr. Mas masarap kasi yung chicken sa salad. Kaysa ano. Yun, kung mag-salad ka. And then chicken yung ilagay sa ibabaw. Masarap siya. Oh, chicken. Parang walang chicken ah. Oh, puro meat. Puro ano. Ito yung nasa loob. Walang chicken, guys. Meron kami frozen na gulay. Yeah. Walang chicken. Alam nyo, ang laki pala talaga ng basement namin. Naisip ko siya, ang laki. Ang buong bahay, pag walang wall, sabi ko, ang laki pala. Pag pumunta ako dito, ang laki ng basement. Kaso, napuno ng gamit. Ang pangit, napuno ng gamit. Ang laki-laki ng basement namin. Sayang. Ganito na talaga yung buhay, guys. Ito na talaga yung buhay. So, let's see what's in here. Oops, may shrimp pa pala dito. Oo. Ito si Tami. May shrimp pala. Let's go take, guys. Doon sa hali. So, oh my God, almost lock my finger. Muntik na namang ilak yung kamay ko. But anyway, 11:40 na, 11:43.
Feed that summer feeling with the deluxe.
Okay, let's go. Buti wala na tayong mulch sa harap ng bahay. Wala na tayong mulch. Okay, i-close natin yung garahe. And then, ilalock natin. Hi guys. So, ngayon, andito na tayo sa tindahan, pero iba yung tindahan na pinuntahan ko. Kasi yung palagi, hindi sa ShopRite, hindi din sa Hanaford. Kasi, dito ako, kasi ano, pupunta sana ako ng Filipino store, pero naisip ko, wag na. Andito ba yung car key ko? Umandar yung sasakyan ko ba? So, usually, sana, okay. ang wallet ko din. Kailangan ko ng pera. So anyway guys, iwan ko na kayo dito. Ay, dalhin ko kayo guys. Kay baka sobrang init. Masira itong camera ko sa init kasi. Okay guys, we're done here. Pero itong sasakyan ito, nagbablock dito. Kaloka. Okay, let's go. Tapos na ako. Bumili lang ako ng konti. Tawagan ko rin si Tommy.
Hello.
Hi.
Hey.
I tried to call you.
I know. I was getting out of the shower, drying up. There's nothing I can do. I'm dripping. I'm gonna drip on my phone.
Ah, you're lying down. You're lying down in the water with your phone. Ah.
No, if I was lying down in the water with my phone, I could answer the phone.
So anyway, I just tried to call you because I got some chicken,
Okay.
and then when I called you, I wanna ask you about the ground pork.
Ground pork? Okay.
Yeah, because I want to make you a burger.
Okay, why ground pork, not ground beef?
Hala, you usually get the pork.
No. Hala. We get ground beef for burgers.
Holy so I got in pork.
Okay, that's fine.
And then I got a bun, and then the ground, it's like because a ground pork and it's a 10% fat, so it's less. So what I'm gonna do is put a lot of cheese.
Well, I put seasoning in it too, because pork is different than beef, so I don't know why you would think it was ground pork. I don't get it.
I don't know, because I thought burger is a pork. Okay, when you buy something in the fast food, it's a freaking pork.
Beef. Burgers are always beef.
Oh my God, really?
This is not the Philippines.
That's why I can't find the regular packaging. They have that nice packaging, and there's a lot of beef packaging, and I can't find the regular
You
pork.
think you would recognize it and say, oh, that's what we get. You think you just by looking at it, you'd say, oh, that's it.
Well, I wish you answered me.
Oh, and I call you back 5 minutes later, you don't answer. I call you twice, you don't answer.
Well,
and I text you.
I was in
It was
the
5 minutes, it was 5 minutes, honestly. I'll show you the codes on my phone.
yeah, but
5 minutes later.
I was already in the line when you called.
Well, so clearly, it hung up the phone and went right to the line. For 5 minutes?
Ito lang yung nakikita kong pork. Ito yung packaging. Tinawagan ko lang si Tommy. Sabi ko sa kanya kung saan na siya. Na-traffic daw siya eh. Natanggong siya sa traffic. Hindi pa siya nakalayo sa isang bahay. So sabi ko, yun yung problema kapag aalis ka talaga ng late. Hindi ko tinapos yung edit ko. And may ano kanina eh. May halati ka muna guys. May naririnig pala ako kanina sa labas na kalabog. Okay. Wala namang nangyari. Okay. Sino ba yun? Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon eh. Galing ako sa labas. Andun naman yung groundhog. Naglagay na naman ako ng mga patibong. Mga ayaw niya ba? Pero guys, hindi na talaga kaya. Pabalik-balik talaga siya. Wala na kaming magawa. Wala na akong magawa doon. Kasi parang itatrap. Kailangan namin bumili ni Tommy ng trap para itrap siya. Kasi hindi kaya sa power na guys. Nandyan pa rin siya eh. Oh my God, hindi ko na alam anong gagawin. I'm not eating fries, okay? I'm not even touching anything.
It's a frozen drink, that's all. But
You're right.
now it's turned into more of an ice cube. What is it?
I'm not eating fries, huh?
I'm eating fries. What is that you're eating? Not eating fries.
Oh my God, I hate this. Like a tablet. It's like a BB medicine. You know, that strawberry. And guys, if you're here in America, and if you love spicy, with everything, get this cheese. Oh my god. Like, it's no joke spicy. Weekly habanero cheddar cheese. Look this one. Okay? Look for that. If you love spicy, like we do, but you have to do like this. Kasi sobrang spicy siya, guys. No joke. If you don't like spicy, then this is not for you. Onion. Tammy loves onion. Not so much because you cannot. My god, this burger is gonna be spicy, ishaki. And give me the seasoning, honey. I wash my hand, guys. Hon, you just put spicy cheese.
Yeah.
What is that? What is that?
We're back.
A little salt, had the other salt over there. Not garlic, pepper. That, yeah, that one. You grind it, okay? Very little. Spread it. That's it. Bucket burger, guys. Tommy loves burger. Okay.
I don't put a lot.
And I love pepper.
Hold on.
We don't have oh, I forgot oregano.
What do you mean you forgot it?
I forgot to buy oregano.
We have oregano.
I think I used it.
Oh, yeah.
You know what this is? It smells good. I forgot to buy pepper. Yung atsal, guys. Green atsal. Green bell pepper,
How would
hand.
you use all the oregano?
I use it all. I told you.
You're supposed to use very little oregano.
No, to the groundhog.
Oh. Oh, you forget it.
What do you think? Do we have downstairs?
No. Oregano is not something you buy in bulk because you'll use such a little amount.
I know, Tommy
You
Moy.
don't use a pinch of anything.
You freaking groundhog. What are you doing? I thought that movie is a good one. But I'm not really watching. Tignan nyo, Tommy. Ang daming dala. Tignan nyo yan. You're looking with the thing. Tignan nyo yung daming dala. Wait, it's windy, Hanay?
With a brush.
I did already. I just want to kind of the brush, you know. Sometimes when you do that, you have to wipe after. Tadadadun. Grabe si Tami makasisunod. Ang dami.
Halos ka na po yun.
Pwede sumin mo. Birdie, 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 birdie. Cajun. Oh my god, ang daming seasoning. Dalhin ito niya, guys. Sharon Cunita lagi. Hindi na siya magugutom nito. Hindi na siya magugutom. Kasi meron na siyang pagkain. Para hindi tayo iwan ni Tami. Kailangan natin lutuan. Para masaya at hindi tayo iwan, di ba? Di ba? Di ba? Para malagyan natin ng seasoning. Yung kabila. Oh, ito na siya. Nag-brown na. Ang hirap naman itong ayan. Nangatangtang. Ay, tanggal yung onion. Just look.
Climate action.
Look at here. Look at
We're
here.
going to prevent the worst impacts of climate 0.5 degrees Celsius. Lead to global transition to clean energy technology.
The chicken. You know. I think tapos na itong chicken. This is good for his, you know, for his salad for weekend. Yung burger need to be cooked because ring nagakos pork kasi yan. Rayhan. So nag-alala kami guys sa pusa ng kapitbahay. So ngayon pinuntahan ni Tami, galing yan doon sa kapitbahay. Nagtatanong siya kung ano saan yung pusa nila. Say it again, what happened to the cat?
He's just been staying close to the house. But I've been running around.
So yung pusa pala andun lang malapit sa bahay nila. Hindi kasi gumagala yan eh. Usually they're in our backyard, right? He's in our backyard.
Yeah.
Running, playing with Roxy, but lately na. So at least he's okay. He's not in trouble or his problem or dead or bitten, you know? It's done, guys. It's perfectly done.
Have a good time. You doing a trip now?
Yes. Come on. You gonna help Mama? Come on. Help me. Help me, help me. Come on. Ano eh? Hindi kasi Come on. Come. Let's go. Are you ready? So this is our first harvest, guys. Salad, guys. It's really healthy, Han. Why the water is not hot? It's cold. It's not cold. At ito yung first harvest natin sa summer. First harvest this year. Na ano, salad, diba? Look. Ang sarap, guys. Tammy's gonna be having a blast. Mayroon kami mga salad dressing, pero mas prepare ni Tammy oil and vinegar and healthier. So, kaya yun. So na yung dinner namin. Yung salad fresh galing sa garden. And then yung inano ko, shrimp, broccoli, ravion. Okay na yan. And I'm going to eat rice. And he will be my guide. Hold me closely to his side. To love his word. By roads in the wilderness, he leads me. Thank you. Rivers in the desert will I. Do you want rice? Huh? Even in our love will still remain today. Huh? Yes, you can have it. Picky, Lita. Oh, I forgot. Hold on, love. Hold on. I forgot to throw my baby. No, you can't. You don't know how to do it. Because I won't eat that. My birthday. You know that? So that means garbage will eat it. What? They're not allowed. My hand is clean, so I've been washing my hand like crazy. I want you to eat a lot of seafood. You know why? You've been eating pretty meat. La 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 la. Enjoy your seafood. Almost 9, 8:43 na ng ano. Dala-dala ko itong cellphone kasi itong kapatid ni Tami tumawag habang naglalaro ako ng Mobile Legend. Tumawag siya. So ngayon, pagtawag niya, diretso ko cancel. So tinawagan ko ulit pagkatapos hindi na sumagot. So ngayon, dala-dala akong cellphone kasi baka tumawag ulit. Iwan ko. Itong kapatid ni Tami tatawag dito. Ito yung cellphone tawagan ko. Ang problema nito, yung signal dito, kapag may tumawag sa cellphone, mahina yung signal. Parang ano siya ba? Yung mahina talaga. Kasi magputol-putol ba? Iwan ko. Kasi nasa bukirin tayo. Magputol-putol. So ngayon, tinext ko naman siya. Tinawagan ko siya. Hindi sumagot. Baka may kausap ng iba. Sininda niya ako ng picture ng nagkakat siya ng grass. Ang nangyari, pagkatapos niya nagkat ng grass, sinasagasaan niya yung ano nila. Tignan nyo yung ano nila. Mailbox. Gonna go to bed. Night-night na, guys. Hello, guys. So, iina natin itong vlog. So, matulog na kami. And, hinintay ko lang si Tami. Bumalik sa pagka 40, 42 degree. Bumalik. So, maginaw na rin siya. Huh? When is this gonna be like back to 80s?
Should be 80s tomorrow. But it's going to be almost 90 on Saturday and Sunday.
Really?
Yeah.
So that means it's really hot.
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't like 90
I
degrees?
don't like 80 degrees. I like this.
This is, if in the morning, this morning, hun, is 42, hun. It's
like-
like back to freezing, hun.
That's okay.
What is okay?
Because
Cover your boobs. Cover your boobs. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, honey.
Hi, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye. Good night. The window is open. So, where's Roxy?
She's right there at the bottom of the bed.